Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2821st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And good evening, traders. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, I want to show you something quick, and then I got something very exciting for you. So, what do we got going on for trading on Thursday, October 31st, 2024, and that's Halloween. Happy Halloween, kids out there that are going to celebrate. So, for Thursday, the E-mini S&P, which of course is a very risky endeavor to trade like any other option or stock or anything, ETF, crypto, they're all very risky. So please know this and put your stops in first before ever getting into a live position. If you know that, you'll live a lot longer. Let's see what's going to happen. E-mini S&P daily bar for trading on October 31st, which is, of course, Halloween. The market is giving us a Halloween look. Bullish trend line broken. Let me zoom in for a second. Is that bullish trend line in E-mini S&P being taken out? If that happens, the market drops a little bit. Even if it's for a few days, it will have to drop a little bit. And I've got a red OMNI for trading on Thursday. So, we've got a Halloween red OMNI, which, okay, we'll take it. By the way, the OMNI has just been killing it this week with great trades, selling rallies when it's supposed to, buying dips when it's supposed to, and getting out when it sees its profit, which is most important. So rock and roll, OMNIacs. Let's see. Head down, nose to the grindstone. Let's do it again on Thursday. So it looks like E-mini S&P may be having a down day. We've got a red OMNI, so OMNI's telling us to sell the rallies. But there's a little more. Check this out. Look at the transportation average. Now that fails up here miserably every single time we get there. Miserable failures every time we get to this line, right? No matter what, how deep or how far it runs down, on the way back up, the ricochet does not take it past the line, right? Runs down, ricochets, gets past the line, but only for one session. Back down. We hit the top of that line on Wednesday, and boom, started to get red signals from OMNI. So we are looking to sell the rallies for trading on Thursday. But the real purpose of this video is for this live webinar on Thursday. If you're watching this video Wednesday night, it's tomorrow. If you're watching this video on Halloween, I've got a live webinar. Starts at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. The link is below this video. Please make sure you register. It's absolutely free. I've got an abundance of fantastic charts I want to share with you. Where's Bitcoin? Where's it look like it's going? We've got a lot of great stuff. We've got stocks involved. We've got commodities involved. The S&P, of course. That'll all happen for you tomorrow live. Fantastic analysis coming your way. Click the link below and sign up. 3:45 tomorrow afternoon or Thursday afternoon if you're watching this on Thursday. I hope to see you there. I'll show you some great stuff that I hope helps you for the rest of the week and leading into next week. Traders, that's about it for now. Make sure that you follow this link, click this link, and watch the webinar tomorrow. It's very important. All right, traders, thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will finish this analysis session tomorrow, or Thursday, I should say, at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. Click the link below and sign up. I will see you there. Thanks for tuning in, kids.